Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have phenol, ortho and meta position. You have nitro group. You're reacting with sodium sulfide and water. You should find what will be the final product. The reaction involved regioselective reduction. Normally, the reducing agent reduces all the possible functional groups. Here, only one nitro group is reduced because of Na2S reduction mechanism. Mechanism is very complicated, but it's electronically controlled. OH can anchor the catalyst, so only ortho reduction is possible. Even though meta forms, it's a minor product. Ortho is the major one. The concept you have to learn here is regioselective reduction. If you have two similar functional groups, only one selectively reduced means it is called regioselective reduction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.